His timer keeps going, it splits the seconds down to hours. Don't worry, he counts them all on the fingers he cut off. They taste like smoke and balisongs. Her mouth isn't fatal, but the song he wanted wasn't playing or able to be picked off of the tip of her tongue. This really doesn't fit him all that much. 1, 2, 3, 4. The trees have been robbed of all their leaves in life. From the carvings of your dreams, your knife is open and wounded. Stole from the usage, but it's you. Are you ready for the world at large? It's real and it's reeling from your battle scars. It's really not hard to figure out. There's nothing